If you are using a no-cost, fully featured, and integrated 2D CAM product from Autodesk, why would you want to upgrade to the full HSM Works or Inventor HSM package? In this video, we will explore some of the reasons that upgrading can benefit you and your business. Let's do a head-to-head comparison of 2D versus 3D programming in Inventor HSM. We will compare programming time, the number of mouse clicks used, and the machine runtime for both techniques. Using the free 2D tools in Inventor HSM Express, I'll need to apply a 2D adaptive clearing toolpath to each contour that I want to rough. Using this technique, I was able to program the roughing in 1 minute and 38 seconds with 7 2D adaptive operations. This required a total of 49 mouse clicks. This part requires 4 setups to complete when using 2D toolpaths. 1 for the top, another for the bottom, and 2 more on the sides to cut the 4 flanges on each corner. The side operations left the part susceptible to vibrations, and so there's a high runtime due to the low feed rates needed to maintain an acceptable surface finish. Now let's look at the same part using 3D roughing strategies. We can actually replace all 7 2D adaptive operations with a single 3D adaptive. Notice that the 3D adaptive strategy even roughed the material on the flanges. We can then use a ball and mill and a 3D finishing toolpath to finish the flanges in dramatically less time. Because we finished the flanges on the first setup, we've actually eliminated 2 setups entirely. This cuts the total machine time nearly in half, not counting the setup time that is no longer required. By comparing the data side by side, we can see that there's a huge increase in all aspects of productivity. Using this data in a cost-benefit analysis actually shows that the software could pay for itself extremely quickly.